Hey everybody, welcome to a video from the Real Fam. I know it's been a while, but we're back at it and we have a lot more planned. Let's start with this.
Today we're going to make a set of cornhole boards, and since it's such a beautiful day out, we're going to do it outside. I have all the parts cut. You're going to need 4 2x4s cut 4 foot long. You're going to need 4 2x4s cut 21 inches long. These are your outsides and these are your insides. I also have pre-cut birch plywood, which is already cut to 2x4. You can get these pre-cut at Lowe's or whatever. If you want to buy a full sheet of plywood, you can do that, but you're going to be able to make 2 sets of boards, and I don't really need 2 sets of boards. We're just making 1 set of board, and at the end we're going to do something special with the boards, so make sure you stick around and see how we decorate them and finish them up. I've been giving some hints as we've been going along through videos, but today we're actually going to put everything together. All right, let's start putting it all together.
I used a 3-inch drywall screw and that covers. That makes it pretty strong and sturdy. Amy's giving me a hand here. Why? Because she's awesome. Don't worry too much about keeping it square right now. Just keep everything flush. We're going to use the plywood itself to keep everything square.
I'm going to put some wood glue on it. Glue's on. Now we put the top on. And you're going to use the wood to square it up. Use the plywood. Put it on one corner. Try to get it where you need it to be. Tighten that clamp down right in that corner. That looks pretty good. Now we nail her on.
I'm using a number 4 finish nail. I usually would use these with wood screws, but I wanted to keep the holes really small since we are finishing. We're going to try and finish the same color as the wood, so I wanted to keep the holes as small as possible.
Alright, now we use the nail set. Set all these nails down in that we just did. Okay, so now we're going to do the holes. The cornhole actual holes here. What you do is you measure 9 inches down from the top of your board. That's going to be the center of your hole. Okay, and then you measure, should be 2 foot, so you're going to go halfway. So you're going to go 1 foot, 1 foot in, and 9 inches down. So 12 inches over, 9 inches down. That's going to be the center of your hole.
Okay, so if I can give you one recommendation, this is it. Go to Amazon, buy this 6-inch hole saw for cornhole specific. It is fantastic. Way better than trying to do it with a jigsaw or anything else. You just literally line the drill bit up with your center point on your boards and drill it through, and it's as easy as that. It gives you a great finish, great cut. It all up like this, then go ahead and sand your edges all the way around. You will be so much happier with this finish than any other way.
Okay, now I'm going to attach the legs, which I cut just a little bit ago. I have 5/16 carriage bolts with wing nuts. I'm going to
go through your legs, put in your carriage bolt with your wing nuts.
There's our boards. You should have them end up being 12 inches off the ground. That's pretty close. We're about right close to 12 with both of them, so we're going to go with that. Alright, now I just got to put wood putty, let that dry, sand them a little bit, and then we'll finish them up.
And now I'm going to go ahead and fill all those holes that we set down with our nail set with wood putty and sand them up. then we're going to go ahead and start and put our stickers on. We had alluded to these as far as what we were doing. We were going to breweries in the area between Western PA, Pittsburgh, Columbus mainly, and we got stickers from everywhere we went. We're putting the stickers on the boards. I think it turned out fantastic. I think it was a great idea. Now I'm going to sand down the boards lightly, and I'm going to start and put on, I'm going to use tack cloth to clean up a little bit and then put on the polyurethane. 2 coats minimum. I recommend 3 or 4, especially on top of stickers.
These are the new bags that we got for our boards. Got them on Etsy.
Present from Jane for my birthday. Thank you, Jane.
Go ahead, first throw.
Oh.
There you go.
It's not sliding great.
No, but I think you're right. I think once you get some of the...
They're definitely not as slippery as our other ones. There's not
No.
that slide.
Ooh.
Wow.
You're crushing me early on.
Apparently I play better when I'm not drinking and you play worse.
Yeah, you might be right.
Yeah.
That's all. Winner.
Okay.
Skunk. That's a complete
21
skunk.
to nothing.
21 to nothing.
Isn't there, I think I deserve something.
Jeez. Yeah, you should get some kind
prize.
of award for that. There's our boards. Every sticker is a different memory, that's for sure. Some of them we get at beer fests. The vast majority we've been to the actual breweries.
Okay, now I'm going to try and do a name of all the breweries we visited. Hopefully I don't pass out in the process. All right, we're going to start with Anti-Fragile out of State College. 11th Hour Pittsburgh, Aslan, Cahola Brewing, Lahaina, Maui, maybe one of our favorites. Big Rail in Grove City, Daddy, Bell's in Kalamazoo, Democracy Brewing in Boston, Smiling Moose, Grove City, Coble House, Founders, Grand Rapids, Allegheny City, 1812, Strange Roots, Three Floyds, Cole Tipple, Lancaster Brewing, CR Brewing, Clarion River Brewing, Dead Canary, Blake's Hard Cider, Wicked Warren's Back Alley, Industry Public House, Trace Brewing, Mechanicsburg, Platform Brewing, Black Month, Anderson Valley, Cinderlands, Hoof Hearted, Church Brewworks, Iron City Brewworks, Brewdog, Hop Farm, Dancing Gnome, Taft's, Samfly, Fathead Brewing, Co-Star, Victory Brewing, Ultra Genius, Sly Fox, Velen Brewings, Helicon Brewing, Hitchhiker Brewing, Big Sewickley Creek, Boxcar Brewery, Land Grant, Straw Brewing, Recon, East End Brewing, Log Yard, Spoonwood, Night Shift, Seventh Son, Jackie O's, Rusty Rail, Oscar Blues, Lost and Wild, Southern Tier, Saucy Brewworks, Two Roads Brewery, Bent Run, Endeavor Brewing, Grist House, Levity Brewing, Somewhere in Particular, Brewbank. Whew. Please let us know some of your favorite breweries in the area in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We have more stuff coming up. We have a trip to Atlanta, a trip over to Europe planned. We will be glad to take you guys on with us, and have a great night, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are.